A combined team of CDO Imphal East, Lamlai Police Station, 22AR and a platoon of the 12BN CRPF seized arms and ammunition during a search operation conducted at Pungdongbam-Sekta and Lousangkhong foothills, led by additional SP Operation Imphal East KH Herozit Singh under the supervision of SP Imphal East today. The search conducted from 8:15 am and ended at 10 am. In the operations, as per inputs received, the team were spread in different suspected locations in the said area and could able to find and recover the abandoned arms and ammunition from a location in the said area. The recovered arms and ammunition are one number of M16 rifle marked as M16 AI with 4 rounds in the magazine, one number of M21 sniper rifle marked nil with an empty magazine, and 3 numbers of 36 HE grenade without detonators. The recovered arms and ammunition have been handed over to Lamlai Police Station for further legal procedures.